Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Diamond Cat 18. And today I don't know what we will be playing. So right now I will be seeing what we can play. Okay guys, okay, I'll see you in. Okay guys, I'm back, and so right now I am getting out and I'm gonna make a dorm. Okay, sorry if it's so loud, guys. I don't mean for it to be so loud. But I just got my headset just today, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, leave a like, and say that you subscribe down below in the comments. And please comment down below what I should play next for my next video. And I think for my next video, I might do like a role play where like first I'm a human in Bloxburg and then I turn into like a wolf or a cat. I don't know what I'll do, but I think that this is going to be really fun because I am a YouTuber. I'm new, and I really think that I enjoy being a YouTuber. I use screencastautomatic.com, and I just got a headset. So I'm eating my lunch right now, and I will do a role play where I'm like a princess, and I come to this amazing school. Okay, sorry guys, that I'm missing out, but okay. So guys, I don't know what game I'll be playing next, but I really hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. Sorry guys, I'm very, very, very annoying. And yes, my friend is a YouTuber, so check out her channel. Is Cookie Cat, but you have to search up Cookie Cat Cup Song. But please enjoy, and I hope you guys like and comment down below what I should play next, or maybe I'll do the role play. I don't know, but this is my room. Let's see what I can buy. Dress up. Let's go shopping. What skirt can I afford? Oh, I really want the dragon train. I think that I can get more diamonds. Okay, that'd be fine if I just guys, I just bought more diamonds. So now let's go into dress up and see what I can buy. Okay, so I cannot buy the cottage princess, but I can buy this, but I don't want to. Galaxy magic. Ooh, these are pretty. Hey, I can afford sparkling pink and blue. I don't really feel like doing that. Okay, guys, so let's see. Oh, look at my hair. It's so pretty. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to dress up my character. I do get quiet because sometimes I think that I'm not recording, but okay guys, I think I'll end the video here. I'm sorry, but I'll make a part 2. So hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you.